Top 20 Data Mining Project Ideas 1. Customer segmentation using K-means. Clustering. Analyze customer data to group them based on similarities using K-means algorithm, enabling targeted marketing strategies. 2. Fraud detection in financial transactions. Implement anomaly detection techniques to identify fraudulent activities in financial transactions, enhancing security measures. 3. Sentiment analysis on social media. Data. Perform sentiment analysis on social media data to understand user opinions and emotions, aiding in brand perception analysis. 4. Healthcare data mining for disease prediction. Utilize machine learning algorithms on healthcare data to predict the onset of diseases, facilitating early intervention and prevention. 5. Recommendation system for e-commerce platforms. Develop a recommendation system using collaborative filtering to suggest products based on user preferences, improving user experience. 6. Predictive maintenance in manufacturing. Apply predictive analytics on machine sensor data to forecast equipment failures, optimizing maintenance schedules and reducing downtime. 7. Market basket analysis for retail. Conduct association rule mining on transactional data to identify patterns in customer purchases, aiding in product placement strategies. 8. Credit risk assessment using decision trees. Employ decision tree algorithms on credit data to assess the risk associated with loan applicants, enhancing lending decisions. 9. Traffic flow. Prediction in smart cities. Utilize time series analysis on traffic data to predict congestion patterns, aiding in urban planning and traffic management. 10. Churn prediction in telecom. Industry. Use machine learning models to predict customer churn in telecom services, enabling proactive retention strategies. 11. Natural language processing for text classification. Implement NLP techniques such as TF-IDF and word embeddings for text classification tasks like spam detection and sentiment analysis. 12. Predictive modeling for stock price forecasting. Develop predictive models using regression techniques to forecast stock prices, assisting investors in decision-making. 13. Image recognition for object detection. Employ deep learning algorithms like CNNs for object detection in images, enabling applications in security and surveillance. 14. Clustering techniques for image segmentation. Utilize clustering algorithms like DBSCAN for image segmentation tasks in medical imaging and satellite imagery analysis. 15. Predictive analysis for energy consumption. Apply predictive modeling on energy consumption data to forecast future demand, aiding in resource allocation and planning. 16. Web usage mining for user behavior analysis. Analyze user interactions on websites using web usage mining techniques to optimize website design and content delivery. 17. Time series forecasting for demand. Prediction. Use time series forecasting methods like ARIMA and LSTM to predict demand patterns in retail and supply chain management. 18. Predictive maintenance in aerospace industry. Implement predictive maintenance models on aircraft sensor data to detect anomalies and ensure aircraft safety. 19. Social network analysis for influence identification. Conduct network analysis on social network data to identify influential users and communities, aiding in viral marketing campaigns. 20. Disease outbreak prediction using GIS. Data. Combine Geographic Information System, GIS, data with machine learning models to predict disease outbreaks and facilitate timely interventions.